Hey everybody, I'm Isaac. Today I'm going to show you how to use some seam grip and a Silpoly patch, and we're going to patch up this hole on my piece of Silpoly. So the first thing that you want to make sure is that your surface area is clean and dry. So typically you'd want to use some rubbing alcohol or denatured alcohol, and just make sure you have a good clean area where you're going to apply your patch. So the first thing that I typically like to do is take a clean paper towel and place it under your work surface. And then you're going to take your patch and seam sealant, put a little dab on your patch, and then you're just going to paint it over the entire surface of that patch. As you are applying your seam sealant, you want to make sure that your patch is entirely covered, and then what I'll typically do is put a little more on the hole itself, just to make sure you coat those cut or broken fibers. Now that we have this patch entirely coated, we are going to place it on top of our hole and apply pressure evenly over the whole patch. You can also take some of your paper towel and clean up around the edges. And finally, what you want to do is try and roll that out along the entire patch. Now that we have applied our patch, we're just going to flip it over. Make sure there's not any excess seam sealer on the bottom side. If there is, you just want to take your paper towel and clean that up a little bit. And your final step is just going to be placing direct pressure on top of this patch, and you're going to let it cure at room temperature for 24 hours. Okay, so to make sure you have the best adherence that you can possibly get, we're going to put a flat padded surface underneath. And then our weight on top. And this is going to stay like this for 24 hours. And that's all there is to it. Not too difficult, and patching your product is a great way to prolong the life and avoid having to buy something completely new. If you like this video, then you'll probably like our other content. Check us out on all of our other platforms, and as always, if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.